As the summer days stretch ahead of us, one thing's official. It's time to invest in one of the best outdoor chairs. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best outdoor chairs available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Goplus Double Beach Chair. We are delighted to find a tandem-style outdoor chair such as the Goplus Double Camping Seat. Having 2 individual seats in one product is quite a clever idea, and it only costs slightly higher than a solo chair. Aside from the savings, we like all the accessories that come with it, such as the canopy, center cooler, and side cup holders. It is easy for us to be a fan of this model, especially after testing it for months. Not with a significant other, but with our constant furry companion, a 188-pound shepherd dog who loved it as much as we did. While this portable chair means you can use it anywhere, we don't recommend it if you want something stylish for your patio or deck because it serves a more practical use. With that purpose in mind, the Goplus Double Camping Seat offers a great deal for the price and comfort you'll get. Number 4. GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker. We decided to check out the GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker and see if it is a worthy purchase for those who like to engage in relaxing outdoor activities. Up close, nothing is striking about its appearance. It just looks like every other foldable chair. But as soon as we sat on the sling-style seat and gave it a whirl, we were hooked. It works like your regular rocking chair, albeit much gentler, while remaining sturdy and comfortable. Thankfully, no unfortunate incident occurred despite the hours we've sat on it, even if we subjected it to multiple stresses. We are very impressed by the smoothness and stability of its rocking mechanism and how it has all the other great features at a reasonable price. Definitely a keeper. Number 3. Alpha Camp Lounge Chair. How would you like to make your camping trip just a little extra awesome? Be sure to have an Alpha Camp Lounge chair in tow. That's how. It has become a staple in our outdoor activities after bringing it numerous times to our camping and beach trips during our testing period. This lounger is lightweight, requires no complicated assembly, and is designed to collapse down to fit any storage without taking up a lot of space in your car or home. But what's more impressive is how this roughly 13 pounds chair could support somebody weighing over 200 pounds like ourselves. We would sit on it for more than 3 hours straight, frequently shifting our weight from side to side. This chair would not budge one bit, which is impressive. We also like the oversized frame since it gives us all the room we want for us to feel comfortable after a long hike. For those reasons, our camping arsenal would be incomplete without it. Number 2. Sport-Brella Beach Chair. It may not be the best companion if you plan to have chatty moments with friends. Nonetheless, this chair has everything one would look for in a versatile chair: reclining, foldable, shaded, durable, and lightweight. With a detachable footrest as one of its fun extras, we have easily found our most comfortable laid-back position to achieve a zen state of mind. It's ideal for those wanting to spend me time near a body of water or simply being out on your balcony at home. We felt calm and relaxed almost immediately when we took this chair by the poolside. Given its ergonomic design, it helped reduce the stress in our back while elevating our feet and legs for proper circulation. We couldn't help but doze off until somebody had to wake us up. While we think this chair is a busy individual's kryptonite, it provides that much-needed rest after a day's hard work. Number 1. Best Choice Products Outdoor Hanging. If you could lean back and take it easy any time of the day, read your fave book of the moment, or cap the day off with a nice soothing drink, would you? Well, who wouldn't? This is exactly the experience we got when we tested this lounge chair. This well-designed chair made hours spent chilling poolside go by so quickly because it combines the laid-back comfort of a chaise lounge and the casual, easy vibe of a porch swing. Your legs never feel heavy, even if you spend hours on this chair doing absolutely nothing. Best Choice Products Hanging Curved Chaise Lounge has sufficient seat space and headrest cushioning to ensure you're comfy for the long haul. Although it makes for a sturdy outdoor furniture piece, you can also install it indoors thanks to its removable umbrella canopy. Talk about versatility. We can't get over its curved and simulated zero-gravity design, which provides plenty of room for us to stretch out or curl up. Given its great features, it's definitely easy to fall in love with this lounge. We think you will, too. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.